अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर व्यूवर्स। आज हम आपकी खिदमत में जनरल एबिलिटी टेस्ट जो कि 20% किसी भी एग्ज़ामिनेशन में आता है आपकी खिदमत में पेश करने जा रहे हैं। तो जनरल नॉलेज के MCQs आपकी खिदमत में पेश करेंगे ताकि आप इनकी अच्छी तरह से प्रिपरेशन कर सकें। पहला MCQs है, ईवाना इज़ द करेंसी ऑफ विच कंट्री। ईवाना किस मुल्क की करेंसी है? यूक्रेन की। ज़ादर इज़ द सी पोर्ट ऑफ। ज़ादर इज़ द सी पोर्ट ऑफ। ज़ादर किस मुल्क का सी पोर्ट है या बंदरगाह है? क्रोएशिया की। द लार्जेस्ट रिवर ऑफ ऑस्ट्रेलिया इज़। द लार्जेस्ट रिवर ऑफ ऑस्ट्रेलिया इज़ डार्लिंग। विच कंट्री इज़ कॉल्ड लैंड ऑफ ड्रूक्यूल? नेपाल। Famous Wall Street is located in New York. Famous Wall Street is located in New York. 24 parallel line is the boundary line which was declared between. Mesopotamia is the old name of Iraq. What is the capital of Canada? Ottawa. Which one is boundary line between Poland and Germany? Hindenburg. Amnesia is related to loss of memory. Which is language with most alphabets? किस लैंग्वेज में ज़्यादा अल्फ़ाबेट्स हैं? कंबोडियन लैंग्वेज में। Where is Bridge of No Return located? On the border of France and Germany. Is the currency of Myanmar. Africa Fund has been created by AOAU. Name of most polluted city in the world? Mexico. Name the capital of Iceland? Reykjavik. Who wrote Sasipunnu? Hashim Shah. Famous novel Pride and Prejudice is written by Jane Austen. Manaat is the currency of Turkmenistan. On which country's cricket team was the famous 3 Ws wicket? Weeks, Warrell and Walcott. West Indies. Which game do you associate a puck? Ice hockey. Headquarters of OIC is in Jeddah. When first satellite Badr 1 was launched in the space? 16 July 1990. Shoot means one running between Safa and Marwa. Is the currency of Greece. Fleet Street is situated in London. Is famous for newspaper center. ICRC headquarters is in Geneva. The Suez Canal was opened in 1869. April is celebrated as World Earth Day. 22 April is celebrated in World Earth Day. The famous Monroe Doctrine was enunciated on 2 December 1823. Which Prime Minister of England served on 2 occasions? Benjamin Disraeli. Uncle Sam is the nickname of which country? USA. Ashab-e Kahf belongs to country? Syria. Which of the following cities is located on the bank of river Euphrates? Karbala. The Ashes cricket trophy is contested between Australia and England. World Cup Cricket Tournament 2007 has been played in West Indies. 1 billion is equal to 1000 million. What is fifth column? Anti-social group which works for others. The famous Han dynasty flourished from 202 BC to 220 AD in China. What is daisy cutter? Bomb. Bonded labor is forced labor. Geographically, Kashmir is divided into three major parts: Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh. The total of all income payments which land, labor and capital receive in a country is national income. Inflation refers to free flow of the money in the world. Monetary and fiscal policies have as their goals high level of employment, stable price level, employment, adequate rate of growth. Mean all of these. Barter system means exchange goods. An increase in hoarding results in increase in price. Slums mean uncertainty prices. Addiction means craving for certain drugs or foods. In a democratic country, following is considered the by a hung parliament. Parliament in which no single party has an overall majority. Identify the main function of IMF to make foreign exchanges resources available for those countries facing balance of payment difficulties. The oldest capital city of the world is Damascus. The largest copper producing country in the world is Chile. The ownership of Kuril Island in the North Pacific Ocean is the subject of territorial dispute between Japan and Russia. Strait of Gibraltar connects Mediterranean Sea and North Atlantic Sea. Gobi Desert is situated mostly in Mongolia. Who is chairman of all parties Hurriyat Conference in Kashmir? Sayyid Ali Shah Gilani. Identify smallest state by area. San Marino. Freetown is the capital of Sierra Leone. In which part of Sri Lanka Tamil population is in majority? Jaffna. Who is called radical? One advocates revolutionary changes in the current practices. Which country is the largest wool producer in the world? Australia. WWW stands for World Wide Web. The coldest place on earth is Vostok, situated at Antarctica. Indian intelligence